If your bank account looks like this, come closer because this video might be your gateway out of being broke. What if I told you that you could make up to $400 every week without cooking, without a shop, and with little or no capital? This simple business distribution of snacks like shorts and cupcakes, chin-chin, plantain chips from producers to supermarkets and stores can make you up to $400 or more in a week. In this video, I'll show you how you can start this business today, even if you're broke. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Miguel, and on this channel, I break down practical ways to make money from everyday things. Today's business idea is special because it requires zero capital. All you need is your phone and good negotiation skills. Without wasting your time, let's dive in. Did you know that the global distribution business is worth over $10 trillion and the Nigerian snack market alone is valued at $2.5 billion this year? It will interest you that this business idea can make you millions if you apply the best strategy to execute. Have to watch this video to the end because I have a free gift and I will reveal it at the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe right now to get more updates from this channel. What is snack distribution? Simple terms, it is the business of either buying or collecting of ready-made local snack products from local producers and supplying them to retail outlets such as supermarkets, restaurants, offices, schools, mini-marts, and street vendors at a markup price for profit. In this situation, the producers focus on making the snacks, retail outlets focus on selling the snacks, while you focus on linking them together and making profits. Sounds cool, right? Now let's look at what you need to do. First thing you need to do is to identify the snacks that are in high demand and has the potential to make you money within the first week. You do not need to produce the snack. All you need to do is identify the snacks and the producer in your area. Let's look at the snacks that are in high demand and have the potential to make you quick cash in a week. Number one is peanut burger. It is suitable to be sold in schools and supermarkets. Number two is chin-chin. It sells well in schools, supermarkets, and events. Number three is plantain chips. Can be sold in retail shops like schools, supermarkets, lounge, and probably in the church. Coconut chips, which is number four, should be available in supermarkets, restaurants, and lounge. Cashew nuts, you need to understand that this is a premium snack and it will require capital to distribute because the producer will require you to pay probably a percentage of the market for you to take the product to the retail outlets. So it is best sold in supermarkets. Number six is groundnuts. Can be packaged in different ways and sold almost everywhere. Cakes or cupcakes. It is ideal to be sold in restaurants, supermarkets, corporate offices, and schools. Number eight is puff puff. This one needs an ID package to sell very well. It can be sold in retail outlets, small stores, markets, and schools. Number nine is kuli kuli. It can be sold in cafes, restaurants, and lounge. Number 10 is popcorn. This is in high demand in schools, both primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions. If you can produce it yourself, you'll be making more money than when you are distributing from the producer to the students that are going to buy from you. I would advise you to pick only one to start with, and when you scale it, you can add another snack to get more profit. Now let me tell you a true ongoing story. My friend Cynthia works as a sales rep in a farm, and she supplies their product to mainly supermarkets. Her take-home salary is 80k in a month, but it is not enough for her. So she started supplying shortcakes to those same supermarkets that her farm supplies to. A unit of the cake she gets at 400 naira, but she sells to the supermarket at 700 naira. The minimum unit of cakes that the supermarket demands is 50 units, and she supplies to 3 supermarkets. The supermarket calls her to make new supplies every 2 days. This means that she makes 45,000 naira every 2 days. In a good month, she makes 675,000 naira for just supplying cakes to 3 supermarkets. Now, the reason she makes that much money is because she has already established good working relationship with those supermarkets, and they have established trust from supplying farm products to them. So she's feeding off of the opportunity, which is a good thing. You too can make such amounts. But first, you need to identify product. Identifying a product that you can distribute is a very good thing, as it will direct you on the strategy to apply. Secondly, meeting with the producers. One thing you need to know is that producers of these products are looking to sell in large quantity. That is when you come in. Some may require you to pay 30% of the quantity you are supplying. Others can give you the supply on trust. This is the reason I said earlier about negotiation skills. Thirdly, you need to identify the places you need to supply and the type of proposal suitable for those places. Applying to a supermarket requires a written proposal, the product for exhibition and testing, and negotiation on the price you are selling to them. Once your proposal is accepted, you will start supplying them regularly. If you check the description below, you will see a link to a free PDF guide containing the proposal for supplying products to the supermarkets and the steps to use to secure your first distribution business. Now let's look at how you can market these products effectively. But before I continue, please hit the subscribe button and share this video to someone that might need it. Marketing your product is the most important way to make money and stay relevant, thereby attracting new markets. So let's explore the best ways to market our snack distribution business to get the best out of it. Number 1 is brand identity. This is the overall package look of the product that you're selling. Basically, your producer should have done that for you. But if the product that you have identified to sell has none of these, then I would advise you to opt for another producer whose product has a brand identity, or you look for another product. This is only attributed to products that should be sold in places like restaurants, supermarkets, lounge, and some elite schools. But if you have the resources, you can go ahead to provide the brand identity for the product. Another strategy is the food soldier strategy. You need to physically visit the place like supermarkets, bodegas, or convenience stores, school canteens, restaurants, and lounges. Those places that you can sell your product, you need to visit them, meet with their management, and submit your proposal. You also need to go there with product samples to compel them to test and possibly give you the approval that you need. Another good strategy is price penetration. This simply means selling your product at a more lower price than your competition, with the intent to penetrate the market. Before you apply this strategy, make sure you have gone for a market survey to ascertain the prices of the same product from your competitors. This will guide you to know how best to reduce the price that you are giving to the retail outlets that you intend to supply your product with. This is very pitch-worthy, as it will increase your chances of getting supply contracts from retail outlets. Another one is called sell on return strategy. This is simple. You supply to the retail outlets and they pay you whenever they finish selling your product. No biggie. The last one is social media. You can leverage TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to showcase and market your products. I believe everyone knows how to do that. So there you have it. Snack distribution and supplies is one of the easiest and most practical business you can start, even with little or no capital. All it takes is identifying the right product, connecting with producers, and presenting yourself professionally to the right outlets. If you're ready to start, check the description below to download your free PDF guide. That is my free gift. It contains a proposal template and step-by-step instruction to land your first supply deal. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you learned something new, and subscribe so you don't miss the next money-making opportunity we'll be breaking down. Thanks for watching, and remember, money is always moving. Your job is to position yourself to catch it. See you on the next one.